Hi, my name is Tony. I'm from Orange County, California. I live in Irvine, and everything is pretty much walking distance, about 15 to 20 minutes away from my house. And so I thought I'd get a scooter, which would make it easier to commute. And I got this Varla scooter over here, and it takes things to the next level. So it's got a dual motor. You can toggle between single and dual motor, which makes it easier to drive. If you go dual motor, it's more fun for off-roading. You can literally jump curves with it. You can do a lot of things that any regular scooter wouldn't do. It goes up to 40 miles an hour, and it goes for about 40 to 50 miles range. Um, it's also got really amazing suspensions. They work really well when you're off-roading. You don't feel it as much. It's not bumpy. And and then you also got eco mode when you just want to cruise around town. But I wouldn't be driving eco. I'll be on pretty much the turbo mode the whole time. But I'll be easy on the throttle too. I take it sometimes around the park, and there's bikes riding, and then it's so fast. I just fly by them, and then I get a lot of people saying it's an amazing scooter. It's especially when I'm doing like all the off-roading stuff with it. They can't believe how awesome it is. And there's a lot of scooters on the market. When I was shopping for one, they're pretty good, but if you want some serious off-roading, serious fun, this is a scooter for you.